and gentlemen, Lamar.
What's up, everybody? Gonna rip a little Chronicles box. I just started and I'm like, I better record this actually. So here we go, Beauchamp, and then we got our second card is an auto, Jabari Walker. Not sure who he is, but I was like, well, I'm gonna actually record this stuff. So looks actually pretty nice. Contenders optic, nice rookie auto right off the bat. Egan Murray. Here we go, optic silver coming up. Shaden Sharp. Malachi. Oh, Beauchamp for the Bucks. Sweet one. Jovic. Chet Holmgren. Beauchamp, optic silver. Nice card. Chet. Everybody's favorite. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what else we rock out of here. Walker Kessler. Johnny Davis, Badger. Oh, here we go. Aminu Muhammad for Georgetown. Kyrie Irving Essentials. Not sure who that is. Jaden Ivey, Rise Above, Spectra. The sweet card for the Pistons, right? This card there. Rise Above, Jaden Ivey. Cards left, DJ Liddell, Dyson Daniels. Alright, we got 4 packs left. We got 1 auto left, I believe. Or no, 2 autos or 2 jersey cards. One of the 2. AJ something, here we go. Oh, Jabari Smith. What is this? Oh, man. Essentials, Jabari Smith jersey. Still a sweet card, but it's not an RPA. That would have been sick. But here we go. Chet. Followed up by Benedict. My God, I can't remember that guy's name. Author and non-numbered. Donovan Mitchell, Spectra. Ooh, Paolo Banchero. Optic rookie. Jaden Hardy. Alright, we should still have 1 auto left, or 1 memorabilia card. Please be a good auto. Barry Smith. Got it right here. Backside, Jaden Ivey, Purdue. Johnny Davis for the Badgers. Kendall Brown. Jeremy Seldon. Here we go, Jalen Duran. Backside, Shaden Sharp, blue, Kentucky. Oh, man. Jaden Hardy, numbered to 99. Essentials blue. We got 1 auto out of that box, it looks like. Sharp. Jaden Ivey. Alright. Go. Shaden Sharp. What is this? Georgetown. Gold standard. Numbered to 99. Aminu Muhammad. Nice card. Did hit another RPA. Sweet. Bryce McGowans. Rick Chandler. Shaden Sharp, numbered to 99. Jaden Ivey, select courtside. Not bad. Last pack. Chai Jovic to 99. Auburn rookie Jabari Smith Jr. Ochai Donnie. Kevin Durant. Oh, wow. Jabari Smith Jr. Auburn. Blue courtside select. Numbered to 99. Beautiful card there. Steph Curry. Whoever that is. Thanks again, everybody. Tuning in. Nice hit. Jabari Smith. 99 blue courtside. Prism. Nice hit. Bang. Who can you call?